In today's reading lesson, we're going to read a very short story called Dev. Let's get started. First up, we'll go over the high frequency word in today's story, which is got. Got. Got is a high frequency word that looks just like it sounds. Now we'll review the sounds we'll need to know in order to sound out the reading words in today's story. First up is today's vowel, the short E sound. Eh. Eh. You should be able to hear that sound in the beginning of the word elephant. The other letter sounds we'll need to know are D, as in dog, T, as in turtle, V, as in vase, W, as in waffle. Let's say those sounds together. D, T, V, W. Nice work. All right, now that we've gone over the letter sounds we need, it's time to sound out today's reading words. Here's your first word. Go ahead and sound it out. If you said D, E, V, Dev, then you got it. Let's try that again. Here's your second word. Go ahead and sound it out. If you said W, E, T, wet, then you're right. Now that we've reviewed our high frequency words and our reading words, it's time to read our very short story. Go ahead and give it a try. Now that you've had a chance to read it on your own, let's read it together. Dev got wet. Wow, great job. Now we'll finish up with a few comprehension questions. Here we go. Who is the story about? If you said Dev, then you're right. What happened to Dev in the story? If you said that Dev got wet, then you got it. Great job! Thanks for joining me on this reading lesson today. See you later.